Elon Musk literally tells the U.S. government to only do business with SpaceX.
How does the United States as a nation maintain that innovative edge, that ability to invest in things and take those risks? What kind of governmental policies or processes do we have to encourage the right kinds of behavior in your view?
Well, I think having outcome-based procurement is actually very important.
Okay.
So you say, like, this is the outcome that is sought, and whoever can achieve this outcome or achieve this outcome to a greater degree, that company will, that's who the Air Force will do business with, and will procure the thing that is radically innovative as measured by what is important for leadership in space.